It's a nice angle for you guys to check out the rear wheel setup. I'm just going to swing around the hoist so you can take a peek at the rear end. Hey guys, I'm back and I'm certainly learning a lot about YouTube. I'll be honest with you guys and say that I underestimated how much work this really was. But bear with me, the content will get better, the channel will get better as I slowly learn all the ins and outs like everyone else has. It takes time. So this video is going to be about a question that I get asked quite a bit about, which is my rear end and wheel setup. But before we cover that off and take a look at my setup, I want to clarify in my last video when I brought you guys up to speed about where the build's at. Yes, the motor is hurt, but it's important to note that my builder, D'Souza Performance, did not build that motor. I think it's important for me to clarify that. I just didn't want anybody making any assumptions that they had built it. So that said, they're gonna rebuild it and it's gonna be right and it's gonna make some good power. I just gotta wait now. You know, it's gonna take some time. So let's go take a peek. Let's get to the good stuff and let's go take a peek at my rear end wheel setup. Here we go. There's my rear end setup. It's a Team Z Outlaw rear diff. Basically a Ford 9-inch rear end with 35 spleen axle, strange pro center section, 5/8 studs. Got some, it's been braced up, a few extra braces added to it. You got the couple little breathers added to the diff as well, as you can see. And the it's also been narrowed. It was narrowed to accommodate these 15 by 12 wheel setup. The car is a mini tub, so I got lots of space. I can run a much fatter tire and not a problem. So I'm gonna swing around the side and let you guys get a side profile. I really like the way these 15 by 12s look. That's just a 275 60 15, and you know, with the 15 by 12 rim, it just stretches it and makes it look so thick, and it actually makes it look nice and fat, which I really dig. But you know, it's personal preference, to each their own. The suspension is not set, so still have to set that up, and that tire is gonna tuck in under that rear quarter and look pretty nasty in my opinion. You know, I got the skinnies up front as well, but most of the questions I get are about the back. So if you have any questions or comments, drop them in and I'll answer them the best I can. So aside from that, thanks for watching, and I got a lot more videos to come. Cheers.